Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Social Security online. Applying for your Social Security benefits through the official website is often the easiest and fastest method. You can apply for retirement, disability, and Medicare benefits from the comfort of your home. Generally, if you are at least 62 years old, you can apply for retirement benefits. This online process is designed to be user-friendly and efficient for many applicants. Before starting your online application, it is crucial to gather all necessary documents. You will need your Social Security card and original birth certificate. Also, have your W-2 forms or self-employment tax returns from the previous year available. If you served in the military before 1968, your discharge papers are important. Finally, ensure you have your bank's routing and account numbers for direct deposit, as payments are electronic. To begin, visit the official Social Security Administration website. You will need to create or sign into your My Social Security account. This free account allows you to manage your benefits and track your application. The online form will guide you through various sections, including your personal details, work history, and family information. Remember, you can save your progress at any point and return to complete the application later. Once you submit your online application, you will receive a confirmation. The Social Security Administration will then thoroughly review your application. They might contact you by phone or mail if they need more information or additional documents to process your claim. After processing, you will receive their decision by mail. Typically, benefits can begin anywhere from 6 weeks to 3 months after approval, so applying early is beneficial.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.